Ay. I'm so fresh, you depressed. Spend the racks, smoking trees. While you said I'm a cheese on your knee. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kinalemang, a junior techie, Saika and a TDP alumni. So on today's video, we're going to do eyebrow and fleek tutorial. You know, I know girls always complain about eyebrows not being twins, eyebrows not being sisters, eyebrows being moody and all of that. So can I please plug you in? If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, just press the like button. I know you'll like the video, so just press it. Okay, let's get right to the video. So guys, when you do eyebrows, the first thing you need to do is to brush them, and after brushing them, you use your eyebrow pencil to shape them. Make sure that you follow the shape of your original eyebrows. You follow the shape of your original eyebrows, and then after shaping them, then you can now fill the inside part with that eyebrow pencil or maybe a gel. It depends on what do you prefer, so you can use any of them. You know, what you did on your left hand side, you must also apply it on the right hand side. It's only fair that way. So if you don't want your eyebrows to look like kids with different fathers, then make sure that immediately after shaping and filling the right eyebrow, you do the same on your left eyebrow. Or else you'll be saying things like eyebrows are not twins or they are not sisters, even though they are. Okay, somehow they are. Then apply a concealer, use a flat brush, and please guys, make sure that you take your time when applying a concealer, because you need to be careful. Remember, a concealer is a corrector, so whatever that you didn't do right, you need to fix it. So please take your time when applying a concealer. And I always advise people to use a foundation instead of a concealer when trying to correct the upper part of your eyebrow, because it's a struggle if you apply a concealer and you want to apply a foundation on top of it. So at least if you use the concealer under your eyebrow, you'll be able to put on eyeshadows, but it's not easy to remove a concealer. So if you use a foundation on top of your eyebrow, then we are safe. They are not twins, but somehow they look alike. Can you see them? So guys, avoid applying an eyebrow pencil or working with only one eye and then focusing on it and then focus on the other one after. It's best if you take them at the same time. So guys, let me go and apply some foundation just to hide the one that is already on my face and do my outro. So this is the end of our video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and for those who are struggling with eyebrows and fleek, so that concealer does the things, guys. Even if it's a holy shake, once you put on a concealer, then magic happen. So guys, I really appreciate your support, the love that you've been giving me since last week. I really appreciate it, and I hope and wish that we're going to be on this journey together until. So bye guys, see you next week Saturday.